Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking and Canning, where we do a train in the background. A daily update on the growth of the garden. Just in time for the train too. Yeah, so if you are watching us on the train, on Google, YouTube or Rumble, please give us a like. Just distracted by the train. Yeah, please give us a follow if you're on Rumble. Yeah, so our pepper plants, this one weird pepper plant, right? Just nothing. Just the one little pepper, and that was it. It's the weirdest pepper plant I've ever seen. Yeah, so tomatoes that I should be making paste from, but they're so tiny. My hot peppers that I mostly use for canning. More tomatoes, right? And our other pepper plants. Which have all been providing wonderfully for the canning. Our giant sunflower is not opening up yet, but it's getting close. The one in the front has opened. And our zucchini plot has been providing me more zucchinis that I need, which is wonderful. Been eating them practically every day, canning them. And they got, just like the rest of the squash box, they all got a turmeric and milk spray. You can see the healthiness of the leaves. And of course yesterday, while I was doing my watering last night, discovered another giant zucchini that got missed. They grow just perfectly. They're perfectly camouflaged. You get a few leaves in the way, and the next thing you know, you have a giant zucchini. Those things are dangerous. You could actually brain somebody with one of them. Look, so it's weird. It's not getting bulky. It's just staying skinny. I'll give it till the end of the day. Handful of green beans. Purple beans. For supper last night. These purple beans, when you cook them, they turn green. Certainly are an interesting color. Our in-ground potatoes continue to grow. Perfect. It's perfect that they're growing. Even when the farmer doesn't bother to weed. Oh, there's another big one there. Where's that one? What's this one here? No? Okay. Dug up some more potatoes for supper last night. Bit by bit, the box will get emptied. Our giant kale amongst the onion bed. I still have hardly touched the onions that I already harvested in July. Problem is the cold room won't get cold till October. Well, look at you. Oh, excellent. Love to see these guys flying around, doing the pollinating. Okay. Well, I'm still waiting for the zucchini plants in here to give me more zucchini. Ah, yes. Did this one get choked out? I don't know. The rot goes all the way down the vine. It could be right at the base itself. The vine borers are getting in there. Might soon be the end of the patch. Can't really see a lot of the growth where they're coming from. Oh well. Now, zucchini time. These bloody things. I just get a vine that grows and grows and grows and grows. And then I miss the zucchinis like this one. Now this is a spaghetti squash, right? Ah, knew it. There you are. You bugger. Wow, just almost too big to eat. Well, I guess we'll barbecue that one up today. But you know, if you let them grow and grow and grow, they just end up like that. Waste of nutrients. Okay, well, we have our zucchini for supper. Let's go in the front and have a look at Butch. We always give our lavender a little touch, a little smell, a little wonderfulness. And our pumpkin plant is doing rather fine. Oh, look. Hey, what the hell's going on here? You see this? This stuff? Oh, yeah. Critters. Well, so much for having an unblemished pumpkin. I don't know if that's a rabbit. It could be a rabbit. I doubt it's the chipmunks. Ah, yes. Just enjoying the plant. I'm surprised it's still living. It was looking quite floppy yesterday. It's just getting very dependent on the limited root structure it has. Oh wow. We are really flowering today. Let's have a look at the other welcome sign. Let's go down and have a look at Butch. Three flowers and more coming for Butch. And how's our... Ooh, that sunflower is pretty busy. It's attracting all kinds of pollinators. All right. Well, if you've hung out till the end to see how the garden is progressing, I appreciate it. And we will see you next time. Thanks for coming out. Bye-bye.